to welcome our reception class this coming September. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our indoor provision. Provision means the toys, games, activities and resources that we have available for the children to access both independently and with the adults. Here at Elaine, we offer both enhanced provision and continuous provision. Continuous provision means the resources and activities that are available for the children at all times that they can choose and use independently based on their interests and levels of development. Enhanced provision is the activities and resources that the adults plan and put out based on the topics that we're learning about, the children's interests and their next steps. All of our provision here at Elaine is based on the 7 areas of development for the early years. We organise our provision into different categories or areas such as literacy, maths, creative. We have water and sand play in each of our classrooms, a dough or a malleable area, as well as a construction area with things like Lego and Mobilo. We also do a home corner and a role play corner where the children can act out their favourite stories or familiar scenes that they know. Each of our areas allow the children to explore their learning independently. We also offer adult focus groups to help support your child in their next steps in their learning and in their development. Today, I thought I'd show you some ways that you can support your child at home with their fine motor skills before they start with us in September. I'm going to share with you today a dough recipe that you can make at home with your child. Dough is a fantastic way to build up the muscles in your child's hands to help develop their writing skills for the future. I'm also going to share a few more fine motor skills that you can do at home using materials and resources that you will already have available. I'll share that list at the end of this video. So, to make our dough today, we're going to need flour, salt, cream of tartar, oil, and food colouring. You'll also need boiling water for the adult to use. I'm going to make my dough today in a bowl, and when you're finished you can put it away in a sealed container to save for another day. To make the Play-Doh, add 1 cup of flour into your bowl. Now add half a cup of salt. Add in cream of tartar and oil, 1 tablespoon of each. With an adult's help, add 1 cup of boiling water. Mix this all together. Now you can add food colouring or paint to make your Play-Doh your favourite colour. Remember to store your Play-Doh in a sealed container when you are not using it. You should be able to find all of these ingredients in your local supermarket. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm really looking forward to welcoming you in September. Look forward to next week where I'm going to post up a video all about our outdoor provision and some activities that you can do at home. See you next time.